Truck prices in America have become absolutely insane, with even basic pickups now costing $40,000, $50,000, or even $60,000. But Toyota may be preparing something that could completely disrupt the U.S. truck market. A rugged body-on-frame work truck reportedly targeting a price near just $12,000. The Toyota Hilux Champ, globally launched as the IMV0 in late 2023, has already generated massive attention overseas, although it still has not officially launched in the U.S. market. And unlike many modern compact trucks, this one focuses on durability, payload, and real utility first. Ignite your engines. You're on the grid with Motor Maven. Here are the 6 massive reasons why the Hilux Champ is shocking truck buyers everywhere. Number 6, a true workhorse built around real truck engineering. One reason the Hilux Champ is generating enormous attention is because Toyota ignored nearly every modern compact truck trend. Instead of prioritizing giant touchscreens, luxury materials, or crossover styling, Toyota engineered this truck around durability, simplicity, and serious utility. Underneath sits the proven IMV ladder frame platform related to the legendary Hilux, giving the Champ genuine body-on-frame toughness. Up front, double wishbone suspension improves stability, while the rear keeps a heavy-duty solid axle with leaf springs trusted by commercial operators for decades. Even the flat body panels and upright windshield prioritize easier repairs and lower costs. The Hilux Champ feels like trucks used to, rugged, affordable, and unapologetically work-focused. But Toyota's strategy goes far beyond toughness alone. The real surprise may be how flexible this truck could become for businesses, contractors, and everyday buyers alike. Number 5, a flexible commercial platform that could change small businesses. Toyota is not treating the Hilux Champ like a normal pickup truck. Instead, the company designed it as a highly adaptable commercial platform capable of serving dozens of industries. The biggest advantage comes from its chassis cab configuration, allowing owners to replace the rear bed with specialized equipment or business conversions. Overseas, Toyota already partnered with over 100 upfitters, transforming the Champ into ambulances, food trucks, mobile cafes, utility rigs, delivery vehicles, and overlanding builds. Reports suggest Toyota may bring a similar upfitter network to America. Pre-drilled mounting points simplify modifications, reducing conversion costs dramatically. For contractors, ranchers, or fleet operators, this flexibility could become absolutely game-changing in the affordable truck market. And honestly, this is where the Hilux Champ starts becoming more than just a cheap pickup. Once you combine that flexibility with serious hauling capability, the value proposition becomes even harder to ignore. Number 4, cargo bed sizes that make modern compact trucks look tiny. The Hilux Champ may be classified as a compact truck, but its cargo capability tells a completely different story. Many modern compact pickups focus heavily on lifestyle appeal, often sacrificing bed length and hauling practicality. Toyota clearly went the opposite direction. The short wheelbase Hilux Champ reportedly offers a cargo bed around 5.9 feet long, already larger than several mid-sized trucks sold today. But the long wheelbase version stretches that to roughly 7.6 feet, an astonishing figure for this segment. Payload capacity reportedly reaches nearly 2,646 pounds, while towing climbs near 5,500 pounds depending on configuration. That combination creates something increasingly rare today, a compact truck genuinely designed around serious real-world work capability. And just when buyers thought the Hilux Champ couldn't become more practical, Toyota may also be preparing one of the smartest powertrain strategies in the affordable truck segment. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this deep dive into the future of affordable trucks, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Motor Maven. It genuinely helps us bring more vehicle updates, truck reviews, and automotive insights straight to enthusiasts like you. Number 3, Toyota's hybrid truck strategy could rewrite the work truck formula. The Hilux Champ's powertrain strategy may become one of its biggest advantages in America. While overseas markets receive gasoline and diesel engines, Toyota appears ready to push hybrid technology much harder for the US market. That could be huge for small businesses facing rising fuel and maintenance costs. Toyota's decades of hybrid experience through the Prius, Camry, RAV4, Tacoma, and Land Cruiser give the company enormous credibility here. Hybrid systems also deliver immediate low-end torque, perfect for hauling, towing, and stop-and-go commercial driving. Unlike fully electric trucks, hybrids avoid major charging and range concerns while still lowering operating costs. Toyota seems to be pursuing electrification carefully instead of blindly chasing EV trends. But even impressive hybrid technology isn't the Hilux champ's biggest weapon. Toyota may already possess something even more powerful, a legendary global reputation for durability. Number 2, the legendary Hilux reputation could carry this truck to success. One reason enthusiasts are already excited about the Hilux champ is because the Hilux name carries legendary status worldwide. Across Australia, Asia, Africa, and South America, the Hilux became famous for surviving brutal terrain, harsh climates, and years of commercial punishment. That reputation matters enormously as modern trucks become increasingly expensive and complicated to repair. Toyota appears to be focusing the Hilux champ around proven engineering, mechanical simplicity, and long-term durability instead of flashy luxury gimmicks. American buyers already trust Toyota reliability thanks to the Tacoma's reputation and strong resale values. Combine that trust with affordability and commercial capability, and the Hilux champ could quickly develop a loyal following among businesses, younger buyers, and contractors alike. And when you combine that legendary reliability with the truck's most shocking detail, you begin to understand why this pickup is creating so much buzz worldwide. Number 1, a $12,000 price could completely disrupt the industry. The biggest reason the Hilux champ is shocking the truck world is the rumored starting price. If Toyota launches this truck anywhere near $12,000, it could become one of the most disruptive automotive releases in years. Today, many mid-size pickups easily exceed $40,000, while full-size trucks regularly climb beyond $60,000. Toyota appears ready to attack that growing affordability crisis directly. Even if American regulations and hybrid technology raise pricing somewhat, the Hilux champ would still likely undercut nearly every competitor. And unlike tiny budget vehicles, this remains a real body-on-frame work truck with strong payload capability and commercial flexibility. If successful, Toyota could pressure rivals to finally revive genuinely affordable compact pickups again. Verdict: the affordable work truck buyers have been begging for. The Toyota Hilux champ feels like a direct challenge to everything modern trucks have become. Instead of oversized luxury pickups overloaded with expensive technology, Toyota appears focused on durability, affordability, efficiency, and genuine utility. Between its proven body-on-frame platform, impressive cargo capability, hybrid potential, and highly customizable commercial design, the Hilux champ could completely reshape America's compact truck market. This may become one of the most important affordable pickups of the decade. Now we want to hear from you. Would you actually buy a simple work-focused truck like the Hilux champ over today's luxury pickups? And do you think American automakers are ignoring the growing demand for affordable compact trucks? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on the latest vehicle updates from Motor Maven. Appreciate you riding along with us. If you thought the Hilux champ was impressive, wait until you see the next vehicles we're covering. Tap one of the videos on your screen right now and keep the adventure going with Motor Maven.